In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this Happy Halloween render image. Let's create a text object, and edit the text. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. I'll use a random font. Let's use a simple deform modifier to bend the text. We'll be using the bend feature, but we can twist the text like this as well. Let's import an external image. Let's duplicate the text, and place it right behind the original text. We'll apply an emission shader for the duplicated one. Do you see how the emission shader doesn't look orange or red when I increase the strength? It's reddish, but that's not the color I wanted to use. I'll show you how to use the right emission color shortly. Let's switch back to the default BSDF shader, and use the emission from there like this. This is how we use the correct emission color, and I found this method myself. Once we apply the glare composite node, we'll see the difference right away. Please experiment with the composite settings to get the best looking result. We can use multiple glare nodes as well. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.